Of course, cartel mash up my blood clot, and that's why I stay so now.
Lisa Hyper says Vybz Kartel mash up our art. Stick around for the full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, I'm pushing at the traffic.
So yes, people, this morning Lisa Hype was on live and she was talking to the fans, you know, and the man talk about Neko mash up people life. Now I know say everybody knows say Neko mash up everybody life. Right now Amari's song Neko just take the place by storm. You see what I say? So that really I run social media. Right now you see me, even a challenger go on. You know, a couple people send me a couple videos, I post them on my Instagram, so you can go over to Dancehall IG on Instagram and you can check them out. You see me? But Lisa talk to and Lisa give them relationship advice and I said, don't make no man use you and make no man mash up your life. Take care of yourself and Ray. And she attack and I said, use her as an example, right? Because I guess a man mash up her life or something. But anyway, you know what I mean? They ask the question, who mash up her life? And she respond. You see me? So we have a clip with Lisa talk. So I'm going to play that and make you hear what she has said. Alright, so let's tune into that.
Me nah make no Neko mash up my life. I'm married. I feel your pain. We are the whole of we are woman. Neko, no, I'm not a Neko. Me get my heart broken before. 1, 2 times. And I like say I left the man left me. Him just do something for hurt me and me just walk away. So I still get my heart broken. You understand what I say, so? The whole of we are woman, the whole of we go through them something here. I'm really, really feel your pain. You know, because for you come and sing about it, you can see say you truly hurt. And sometimes all we need is a little motivation from somebody. And I think I know the person a long time. And me, I tell you, say, girl, take your mind off of Neko and put your life by your mind by you and your picnic them and your career and where you try to get done your goals, your dreams and your aspiration. You understand what I say? Focus on that. Focus on that. Of course, cartel mash up my blood clot, and that's why I stay so now. Cartel mash up my blood clot, that's why I stay so now. And right now, I'm gonna go through hell before him reach my heavens. He mash up my heart and I just mash up back for him. And mash up for mash up. Oh, I'm gonna go through hell before him reach my heavens right now. Welcome to the mad bleach out woman. Another mad black woman is the mad bleach out woman. No, and it's okay if she love him. It's okay if she love him, that's okay.
So if anybody wants to know who Neko is, Amara did an interview with the Star yesterday and apparently she told who Neko is, so you can check out that on the Star website. You see me and say. Now let's get back to what Lisa says. So Lisa basically say Vybz Kartel mash up her life, mash up her art. Sorry, she did not say life. She said mash up her art and she mash up back film art. You see me? Now I don't know what that means. We all can get our own assumption or draw our own conclusion to that what she has said. She know what she has talked about, but I would like you to put in the comment section what you think she's saying. Now Lisa went on to say some other things. She said she feel like you can love more than one person at a time, right? And she went on to say that even if you find a man or him stay, you can't try to change a man. I want the ladies them tell me now if you don't really agree with what she has said or not. So I want to listen and then you can comment and tell me if you don't agree with what Lisa has said or not. So we are going to play back the clip again and you listen and hear what she has said.
Everybody have somebody where them love. Some people love 2 people one time, some people love 3. And me believe say you can love 2 persons one time. So it's okay. Yeah man, we have to just be realistic and logical, yeah man. I make no sense to get up and ball and oh, that now gonna change nothing, my friend. That now gonna change nothing. And you can't change a man and you can't force somebody to change. You have to allow them to change, make them want change. Yeah. You can't buck up a pit bull and say you're going to turn him in a shih tzu. That will never happen. That will never happen. You have to go just be one female pit bull too. Or allow him to turn one shit to himself. Cause that will never happen, my love. Mad, you go mad yourself. Mad, you go mad yourself, my love. True, true. No, Nico now go mad me and me have to mad myself. Nobody now go come mad me. So like how Einstein, them say Einstein man, but me sure no say Einstein mad himself. With the book them. Yeah. Nobody.
Yeah, ladies, so now I want to hear what she has said. I want to say, no, I agree or not. At the same time, I just want to wish her a safe delivery. You know what I mean? I think she like 8 months pregnant or somewhere thereof. I'm not sure, but the baby can born anytime soon, or will be. She will be giving birth anytime soon. Hope she have a safe delivery. I wish her a safe delivery. All right. So. Yeah, people wanna get in the comment section, tell me what you think about what she said overall, you know what I mean? And the whole Neko mash up my life thing, it, you know, people are discuss it. It's a big discussion on social media and thing. You see me, it's not just the fun factor about the song and Amari and that, you know what I mean? There's more to it. I see people I get personal and I say, yeah, things mash up for real and real. People mash them up. You see me, like how here Lisa said, Vybz Kartel mash up her heart and she mash up her Vybz Kartel heart. You see me? So if you don't understand what I say, now people may have another clip more for show now. Apparently this is one of the baby mothers of Virgin, dancehall artist Virgin. We all know Virgin, big song, Hungry and them song. They see what I say. But apparently she was on live and another baby mother, or a friend of a baby mother, you know, decided to troll her or say something, I don't know. And she responded to it. So I'm going to show you the clip and let you see what's going on. Here goes.
See my baby father? My baby father, my baby father. Here? My baby father? Love really bad. When I ask. Me get baby shower. Kitty never get a baby shower. Me get gender reveal. She never get a gender reveal. I go palm plane. Kitty never go palm plane. Me get ring. Kitty never get a ring. So me you want to stop with? Come up from my life. Yeah, go to young Kitty go suck something stiff in our mouth. Cause that's all I'm good for. Anything else, hey. But you make your what? What you make your breathe, your girl them tell you. When it hurt door, when it press, girl breast nicely. But anyway, you only love losers your friend everybody.
Yeah, people. So now you want to go on this, so I don't really have a lot to say. When you see the video, you know what I mean? You can comment on it and you can, you know, say what you want to say. You know what I mean? I open discussion because it's on the net. You know what I mean? But people, guess what? I know. As I go so boom and about to wrap up that video, I'm going to get a video just touching at the newsroom. You see what I say? I joke me I make man, but me get a video, people. You see me? So apparently Gully Bop is back, or Neko if you don't want to call him so apparently. You see me I say? But a long time we don't see a hearing from Gully Bop. You know, last time I see him on music video him and shoot or what. But Gully Bop is here. So I'm going to show that video with Gully Bop right now. Alright, and we're going to try to figure out who and who Gully Bop are talk about. Alright, here goes the clip.
Well, I don't love running from the foreign and them when I got dead. Want to live till me at 100. But now I make no old woman, the whole army come kill me. Kill off young, fresh, green Gully Bop. They don't have no money. Them broke like buckle. Yeah. So when you see American people then coming here right now, them broke. Yeah, Corona then come figure. Yeah? So you can't go on. That me I tell you.
Hey, Gully Bop, face this little people. But when you hear what I say, people, I will talk. I wish foreigner I talk about. And I wish foreigner I say I bring in that thing there. You see what I say? When every two want to say that in a video because you know how them platform you stay. You see me? But yeah, people, those are the stories for today. So tell us what you feel about what Lisa Hyper say, you know what I mean, the other little story with Virgin Baby Mother, and also, you know what I mean, Gully Bop, the man himself. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for making this thing possible. All right, have a good day. Thanks.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.